Welcome to Smart Bet Advisor, your go-to channel for insightful gambling education. Today, we're delving into the fascinating world of the psychology of gambling, risk-taking behavior. I'm Mr. Zero, and I'm excited to explore the psychological factors that drive individuals to engage in gambling activities, the allure of risk, and the potential for reward. So, let's dive in and unravel the intricate dynamics of risk-taking behavior in the realm of gambling. When we think about gambling, one of the first things that comes to mind is the thrill of taking risks. What motivates individuals to embrace uncertainty and potential loss in pursuit of a favorable outcome? At the core of this behavior lies a complex interplay of psychological factors. Let's start by examining the allure of risk. Humans possess an intrinsic attraction to risk, and this penchant for risk-taking is deeply embedded in our nature. The anticipation of uncertainty triggers a surge of excitement, a feeling that many gamblers find intrinsically rewarding. It's not just about the potential financial gain. It's about the thrill, the rush, and the palpable sense of living on the edge. As we delve into the depths of the brain's reward system, we encounter a fascinating player in the risk-taking game: dopamine. This neurotransmitter, often referred to as the feel-good chemical, plays a pivotal role in reinforcing rewarding experiences. When we take risks and experience uncertain outcomes, dopamine levels soar, creating a euphoric sensation and reinforcing the behavior. Think about the last time you experienced that surge of excitement, whether it was the suspense of a slot machine spin or the adrenaline rush during a high-stakes hand of poker. That exhilarating feeling is intricately tied to the release of dopamine, making risk-taking an inherently rewarding pursuit beyond the tangible outcomes. Moreover, the potential for reward fuels risk-taking behavior. The prospect of winning big can captivate our imagination, leading us to embrace risks and invest time, money, and effort in pursuit of that elusive jackpot. It's the promise of a windfall, the dream of a life-changing moment that entices us to embrace risk with open arms. Thrill-seeking behavior also comes into play. For many individuals, the thrill of risk-taking goes beyond the pursuit of financial gain. The act of taking risks itself becomes an exhilarating adventure, an escape from the mundane, a surge of adrenaline, and a pathway to an electrifying experience that transcends the ordinary. Now let's take a moment to consider the intricate interplay of these psychological factors. The allure of risk, the thrill-seeking behavior, and the role of dopamine lay a sturdy foundation for understanding the complex web of motivations that drive individuals to engage in gambling activities. Throughout history, humans have been captivated by the magnetic draw of risk, weaving tales of daring adventures, epic quests, and heart-pounding escapades. The allure of risk-taking behavior is deeply embedded in our collective psyche, shaping our experiences, aspirations, and indeed, the world of gambling. From legendary explorers embarking on perilous voyages to intrepid entrepreneurs charting uncharted territories, the spirit of risk-taking has left an indelible mark on our human narrative. This age-old inclination toward risk mirrors the enduring appeal of gambling, a pursuit rooted in the quest for chance, excitement, and the promise of a favorable outcome. As we wrap up our exploration today, it's important to understand that the psychology of risk-taking behavior is a multifaceted tapestry adorned with the threads of thrill, uncertainty, and the pursuit of reward. Whether you're a seasoned gambler or an intrigued observer, recognizing and comprehending these underlying psychological dynamics can enrich your understanding of the gambling experience. Remember, knowledge is a powerful ally in navigating the world of gambling. By unraveling the intricate nuances of risk-taking behavior, we can enhance our awareness, make informed decisions, and cultivate a deeper appreciation for the captivating psychology woven into the fabric of gambling. Thank you for joining me today as we explored the psychology of gambling, risk-taking behavior. If you found this content insightful, be sure to subscribe to Smart Bet Advisor for more great educational content on the psychology of gambling and responsible betting strategies. Until next time, may your bets be smart and your adventures be enlightening. Smart Bet Advisor, empowering informed gambling decisions for a brighter, more aware gaming experience.